Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and basic homemade granola made at home with lots of love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and basic homemade granola, these are the ingredients. I have a pinch of salt, cinnamon powder, coconut oil, honey, whole oats, and pecans. These are the only things we need to make this basic granola made at home with lots of love. So let's get started. Here I want to show you that I have the pecans, and I am going to put them in a little baggie. I'm going to crush them just a little bit so that there is little pieces all over your granola. This recipe is a very easy and simple step-by-step how to make granola at home. Instead of going and buying granola, make it at home. Enjoy it with your family. Add the ingredients that your family loves to enjoy. Well, I added the crushed pecans. I'm adding the oats. To this, I am going to add the cinnamon and a pinch of salt. This is a very easy and basic recipe for your granola. Once you add your cinnamon and your salt, you are going to incorporate it really good, making sure that everything is coated with this amazing cinnamon. And now I am ready to add the honey. I am ready to add the coconut oil. Of course, the coconut oil has so many benefits, and it's just delicious and amazing for your body. So here I added the honey, the coconut oil, and now I'm ready to incorporate everything. Coat everything with the honey and with the coconut oil. Look at this. It really doesn't take too long. Just make sure that you have preheated your oven to 300 Fahrenheit. You want to make sure that your oven is nice and hot before you take your granola into your oven. And now this is ready. I have a baking dish here with some parchment paper, and I am going to add all the mixture of the granola. I'm going to make sure that I cover the whole baking dish with the granola so everything gets nice and crispy at the same time. This part is very important. You have to just go ahead and separate all your granola as best as you can. And then once you have separated and pull it apart, then you are ready to take it to your oven. Remember, the oven needs to be to 300 Fahrenheit. It's gonna go in the oven for 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, you're gonna take it out. You're gonna mix it one more time. Toss it a little bit, making sure that you move everything so that everything gets nice and toasted and golden brown. Look at this. Once you move everything, all the granola, you put it back in the oven for the other remaining 15 minutes. Believe me, this smells delicious. The aroma of the nuts, oh, just perfection made at home. And now I'm gonna let it rest for a little bit. When it's nice at room temperature, you could even pull the pieces out and start pulling them apart. Look at this. This is a very easy and basic granola recipe. Of course, you could add so many things in here, but I decided to give you the step-by-step, the very easy and simple and basic granola recipe. I am sure that once you make this easy recipe, you are going to continue enjoying it with your family, enjoying it with your loved ones. Look at this. You decide how large you want the pieces, so if you really want to pull it apart, that's your decision. But let me tell you, once you make it, you're no longer going to the supermarket to buy granola. You are going to cook it at home, make it, enjoy it, and always you're going to remember Cooking with Gloria. You're gonna know, you're gonna be saying, Gloria showed me how to do this basic and easy, delicious, crunchy granola at home. Look at this. You guys are going to really love it. After you pull it apart, you are going to go ahead and make sure that you have a mason jar to add your granola so it stays nice and fresh and crunchy. Look at this. You could leave it at room temperature, or you could put it in your refrigerator so that it will last longer fresh. Look at this. Look how crunchy it is. The aroma really invaded my kitchen. My mouth is already watering. I can't wait to enjoy it. And of course, my kids can't wait to enjoy it too. Look at this. A very easy, simple, basic recipe that anybody could prepare at home, and you guys could really enjoy it. Look at this. This looks amazing. Of course, you could eat it just like that. You could add it to yogurt. You could add it to your favorite desserts. You decide. But I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy it. So I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing basic granola made at home with lots of love. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. It came out really crispy, really crunchy. My home smells amazing, but this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Look at this. This basic granola tastes amazing. You could add it in yogurt. You could add it in so many different desserts that I know you guys are really going to fall in love with this basic and easy homemade granola at home. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you make this granola at home and enjoy it with your beautiful family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing basic granola made at home with lots of love. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.